Good morning everyone. Okay, so in this video what we will do, we will discuss the CDS 1 2020, CDS 2 2021 questions मैथ्स पेपर. इस मैथ्स पेपर में 100 क्वेश्चंस हैं. आउट ऑफ दोज 100 50 क्वेश्चंस इजी हैं जो कोई भी सॉल्व कर सकता है, एवरीवन कैन सॉल्व. सो हम क्या करेंगे, वो 50 क्वेश्चन, वो 50 क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे कि कैसे इनको सॉल्व किया जा सकता है और क्या आंसर है इसका, क्या इजी मेथड है. ओके, वन बाय वन सारे 50 क्वेश्चंस आप डिस्कस करेंगे.
Download the SSB SureShot app from Google Play Store to access courses for written exams like NDA, CDS and FCAT. You can also find courses for SSB Personality Development and Spoken English. Apply the coupon code SIGNUP15 to get 15% off on your first purchase. Call us on 725-930-7111 for any queries.
वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले, माय नेम इज पवन कुमार साहू. आई टेक्स मैथ्स क्लासेस इन SureShot for CDS and FCAT. Let's see the first question. क्या बोल रहा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन बोल रहा एक समकोणीय त्रिभुज के परिवृत्त की त्रिज्या 10 सेंटीमीटर है. ओके, एंड एल्टीट्यूड ड्रॉन ऑन द हाइपोटेन्यूस इज 8 सेंटीमीटर. रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कम सर्कल, हमारे पास क्या है, एक सर्कम सर्कल है जो राइट एंगल्ड है. ओके, सो ये 10 सेंटीमीटर है, सो ये भी तो 10 सेंटीमीटर होगा. नाउ दिस इज 10 और इस पे हमने क्या बनाया, एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. ओके, वो बोल रहा है कि इसके राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल का जो एल्टीट्यूड ड्रॉ कर रहा है, ये एल्टीट्यूड है 8 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन हमारा क्या बन गया, क्वेश्चन ये है कि ये हमारी 20 सेंटीमीटर है और इसका एल्टीट्यूड हमारा जो है, हाइट इसकी जो है वो है 8 सेंटीमीटर. क्या होता है एरिया ट्रायंगल का एरिया होता है हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट. ओके, सो अगर इसको हम कैलकुलेट करें तो हाफ बेस हो गया हमारा 20, हाइट हो गया हमारा 8. सो ये कितना हो गया, 8 2 10 10 8 8 जी. ओके, सो 80 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, दिस विल बी आवर ट्रायंगल एरिया. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रहा, टू सर्कल टच ईच अदर एक्सटर्नली. ओके, ये एक सर्कल है और ये दूसरा सर्कल है, एक दूसरे को एक्सटर्नली टच कर रहे हैं. ओके, द सम ऑफ देयर एरिया इज 41 पाई स्क्वायर. ओके, पाई सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, ये हमारा एरिया है दोनों सर्कल का. फिर क्वेश्चन बोल रहा ये पॉइंट और ये पॉइंट, इन दोनों के बीच में, ये पॉइंट और वो पॉइंट, दोनों पॉइंट्स के बीच में हमारा ओके, ये डिस्टेंस 9 सेंटीमीटर है, ये 9 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस है. सो ये पॉसिबल वैल्यूज क्या क्या हैं, 9 सेंटीमीटर बन सकता है 5 + 4 से, 6 + 3 से, 7 + 2 से और 8 + 1 से. ओके, अगर हम इससे देखें तो इसका एरिया निकल जाएगा 8 8 जो 64 पाई, बहुत ज़्यादा. इसका 7 7 49, 6 6 जा 36, 36 + 3 3 जो 9, 36 + 9 ये निकल गया हमारा 44 पाई. ओके, अगर इसमें देखें तो 5 5 जो 25, 4 4 जो 16. ओके, दिस इज अवर 41 पाई, 41 पाई. सो एरिया ऑफ दिस इज 41 पाई. नाउ ये क्या है, ये हमारी आ गई 5 और ये आ गई 4 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस है. नाउ क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है कि डायमीटर का, ये हमने क्या किया यहाँ पे, पाई r स्क्वायर हमारा एरिया होता है सर्कल का, तो पाई से पाई कैंसिल हो गया. ओके, नाउ ये हमें डायमीटर का डिफरेंस पूछ रहा, तो ये 5 सेंटीमीटर, तो ये इसका डायमीटर हो गया 10 सेंटीमीटर और इसका डायमीटर हो गया हाउ मच, 8 सेंटीमीटर. सो व्हाट इज डिफरेंस इन बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ देम, डिफरेंस विल बी 2 सेंटीमीटर. सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी सी. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज a minute hand of a clock is 21 centimeter long. Okay, length is 21 centimeter, means this is what radius actually. What is the area of face of the clock described by the described by the minute hand between 10:10 to 10:30. Okay, 10:10 to 10:30. So clock is starting from here, it is going till here. Means we want to calculate this area. So we will see there are total 12 parts. So we want to calculate these 4 parts area, or we can say directly 120 degree. Means we want to calculate 1/3 area of the circle. So 1/3 area will be 1/3 pi r square. R is 21 into 21. Okay, if we will calculate this up, so this will be 1/3. Okay, 21 into 21. So after calculating this, we will get 462 centimeter square. This will be the answer for this question, 462. Okay, next question. एक कमरे की लंबाई, okay, length and width of a room are 21 meter and 16 meter. Means हमारा room, we are having the room like this. Okay, ये रूम में क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा, इसमें हमें लॉन्गेस्ट हाइट की रॉड रखनी है. ओके, लॉन्गेस्ट हाइट कब, लॉन्गेस्ट लेंथ कब हो सकती है, जब इस कॉर्नर से इस कॉर्नर पे कोई चीज़ ऐसे रख दे इस तरीके से. ओके, और ये इसकी लेंथ क्या होती, इसका स्क्वायर प्लस इसका स्क्वायर प्लस इसका स्क्वायर. मीन्स ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर. मीन्स ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 6 एच स्क्वायर और एल स्क्वायर. ना क्वेश्चन ने हमें क्या दिया है, एल दिया 29 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू सी स्क्वायर प्लस 16 स्क्वायर प्लस 21 स्क्वायर. ओके, सो ये कैलकुलेट करेंगे. सो कितना आ जाएगा, इफ वी विल कैलकुलेट दिस, दिस विल बी 441 196 नहीं 16. ओके, 256 प्लस एच स्क्वायर और सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 2099 841. ओके, सो आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग वी विल गेट सी इज इक्वल टू c square is equals to 144. Means c is equals to 12 centimeter. The height of the room is 12 centimeter. Answer will be C. Okay, the set we are doing, this is the set number D. So in your set A, B, C, these questions may be on the different number, different place. Okay, so just check the question, check the values, and you can relate that question. You can see the question at that there. Okay, next question is 18 centimeter internal radius is 18 centimeter high, hemispherical. The liquid is filled in small cylindrical bottles. Means question is telling us this is, we are having this, now we are transferring this liquid in this size of bottles. So whatever volume in this will be equal to in these may be n bottles we may use. Okay, so what is the volume of this, 2/3 pi r cube. Okay, this will be equals to n pi r square. Okay, small r will be this into small h. So if we will put the values here, so question is 2/3 pi will cancelled out. Okay, r square, r is here 18 centimeter, 18 into 18, this will be equals to hemisphere ball internal radius. Okay, and radius is 3 centimeter, 3 into 3, height is 4. So what we got, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so 3, this came 6 time. Okay, here was pi r cube, so 118 will be there more. So 18 and 6 is 108. So what we got, n is equals to 108. 108 bottles will be used in this. Okay, next question is 3 cubes, each other volume is 343 centimeter cube. This is what volume A cube means. What we got, A is equals to 7. Now for this you need to memorize the cubes till 10 minimum. Okay, join end to end. What is the total surface area of the resulting? हमारा इस तरीके का स्ट्रक्चर बनेगा. ओके, सो सी, इस क्यूब में हमारी कितनी सरफेस मिलेगी? 6 सरफेस होती, टोटल 6 सरफेस आर देयर. नाउ दिस सरफेस विल बी टचिंग टू दिस, सो दिस सरफेस विल नॉट प्रोवाइड एनी सरफेस एरिया. सो फ्रॉम दिस क्यूब we will get 5 surface, from this we will get 5 surface. In this surface and this surface are touching for this, so that we will not get the area. So area will be getting by 4 surfaces. So total surfaces are 14 into 7 into 7. So what we will get, 7, this 14 is approximately 7 into 2 means the 343 into 2. So this is the volume, surface area. Total surface area is number of surface into A square. Okay, so if you will calculate this, so you will get 686. How I calculated this much easily? This 14 is what, 7 into 2. Now we have just seen the 7 cube is 343, so I just multiply by 2 in this, so we will get 686. Okay, next question. 14 सेंटीमीटर भुजा वाले एक क्यूब घनाकार ढांचे के ऊपर. ओके, मींस क्वेश्चन इज दिस, सरफेस माउंटेड ऑन द हेमिस्फेरिकल, रेडियस इज 7 सेंटीमीटर. व्हाट इज द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द सॉलिड thus formed? This is our, on the top of this we are having this structure. Okay, means if I will make the top surface, so top surface will be like this. On this there is a circle. So circle का एरिया कितना, पाई r स्क्वायर, रेडियस इज 7, और इसका एरिया क्यूब स्क्वायर का एरिया 14 into 14. Now we want to calculate this much area because this area is covered by the hemisphere. So this much area we will need to calculate. इसको ही कैलकुलेट करेंगे क्योंकि ये जो है इसके ऊपर कवर रहेगा. हमें सरफेस, ये वाला नीचे का जो अंदर का प्लेट का एरिया है ये तो ढक गया, कवर हो गया, वो नहीं दिखेगा. हमें एरिया मिलेगा इससे कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया, और ये चारों कॉर्नर पे ये बचेगा ये. तो ये चारों कॉर्नर का अगर हम निकालें, कैलकुलेट करें, तो ये कैसे निकालेंगे? 14 into 14 का स्क्वायर वी विल गेट दिस एरिया. इसमें से इस सर्कल के एरिया को निकाल देते हैं. तो ये कितना मिलेगा? 22/7 into 7 into 7. ओके, सो इसको कैलकुलेट अगर हम करेंगे, सो ये मिल जाएगा 196 माइनस 154. सो 196 माइनस 154, ये सरफेस, ये एरिया माइनस दिस एरिया, दिस मच एरिया वी आर गेटिंग 42 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ लेट्स कैलकुलेट द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस कर्व्ड surface. This curved surface area will be 4/3 pi r cube. So 4 pi r square, so this will be 2 pi r square. R is 7 into 7, so this much we will get. And if we will see here, this will be 5 surface we will get, into 1 surface will be 14 into 14. Number of surface 5 and A into B, A into A, so we are getting this. Okay, so this and this will be added. So if we will add these two, so we will get 1288, plus we will add this 42 centimeter, so 42, so we will get the answer 1330 will be our answer for this question. If you will not add these 4 corner area, 4 areas on the top, then your answer will be incorrect. Okay, next question is, they have given how many silver coins, 3.5 centimeter diameter and thickness is 4 mm. देखो कॉइन इस तरीके से होगा. ओके, दिस थिकनेस इज 4 mm. This diameter they are giving 3.5 centimeters, so this will be 3.5 by 2. Now we are melting this and converting this to the क्यूबाइड, क्यूबाइड वॉल्यूम एंड दीज वॉल्यूम विल बी इक्वल, क्योंकि उसी चीज़ को मेल्ट करके वो बना रहे हैं। ओके, अगर मेल्ट करके वही दूसरी चीज़ बनाएंगे तो हमारा सरफेस टोटल वॉल्यूम कितना हो जाएगा 21 इंटू 11 इंटू 7, ये इक्वल हो जाएगा इसके वॉल्यूम के। तो इसका वॉल्यूम कितना हो गया हमारा, n क्वाइन हो गए, और एक क्वाइन का हो गया पाई आर स्क्वायर, और पाई डी स्क्वायर बाई 4 का भी कह सकते हो, पाई आर स्क्वायर 3.5/2 इंटू 3.5/2 इंटू हाइट है 4 mm अपॉन 10। Okay, now we will calculate this. So after calculating we will get the answer n is equals to, for this we will get n is equals to 420. Okay, after calculating you will get the answer 420, just this much. Okay, so जितना वॉल्यूम इसका उतना ही वॉल्यूम हमारा दूसरी कंडीशन में भी होगा। Okay, next question is, एक ट्रायंगल है ABC, राइट एंगल एट B। तो क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है हम BC के इससे रिवॉल्व कर रहे हैं। ओके, सो हमारा कौन बनेगा, इस तरीके से बनेगा। ओके, क्योंकि इसको इस एक्सेस पर रिवॉल्व कर रहे हैं, ये हमारा कौन बन गया। सो दे आर आस्किंग टोटल सरफेस एरिया, टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ दिस कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया विल बी पाई RL। ओके, प्लस we will need to add this area, plates are down, plate surface area, so this will be pi r square. Okay, so just put the values, pi into 8 into 10 plus pi into 8 into 8, so we will get this 144 pi, 144 pi means 452.57. Okay, so we will get the answer A. Next question. A solid rod consists of cylinder, height 20 cm, radius 7 cm. This is our solid rod. इसके ऊपर हमने एक और माउंट कर दी। ओके, हाइट दिस इज 20 cm, दिस इज 10 cm, this is 7 cm radius and its radius is 3.5 cm. Just we will need to calculate the volume into density, we will calculate the weight. Okay, so volume we will calculate and density. Okay, so volume will be pi r square h plus pi r square into h. ओके, इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे, सो वी विल गेट 3465। ओके, 3465। ओके, ये हमारा आएगा इसका वॉल्यूम। नाउ दिस वॉल्यूम इज इन सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, बट दिस डेंसिटी इज इन मीटर फॉर द मीटर क्यूब, सो वी विल डिवाइड दिस, वी विल कन्वर्ट दिस इन मीटर क्यूब। 3465 divided by, okay, now we will multiply by density, so density is 10,000. Okay, so if we will calculate 4040 cancel out, so we will get 34.65 kg will be our answer. Okay, this is the same question. Okay, now let's come to the question number 18. Here they are asking the square root. Okay, now we have to calculate the square root. We can do two things, that we can directly calculate the square root of this, or second thing we can go from the options by squaring the numbers. So if we will square, अगर इनका स्क्वायर करके हम मीन्स क्या कर रहे हैं, उल्टा चल रहे हैं, स्क्वायर रूट ना निकाल के रूट का स्क्वायर कर रहे हैं। ओके, इसका अगर हम स्क्वायर करेंगे, अगर कोई नंबर a माइनस बी है, इसका स्क्वायर करते हैं तो हमें क्या मिलता है, a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab। मीन्स जो हमारा माइनस का ये वाला टर्म है वो कहाँ से बन रहा है, इन दोनों के मल्टीप्लिकेशन से। मीन्स रूट 15 हमारा कैसे बनेगा, इन दोनों के मल्टीप्लिकेशन से। तो यहाँ पे अगर देखें इस ऑप्शन को, 6 2 12, तो हमारा रूट 15 नहीं आएगा, इसमें रूट 12 आएगा, तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं है। इसको देखें तो 7 रूट 5, इसमें रूट 5 ही आएगा, रूट 15 नहीं आएगा, सो ये भी ऑप्शन पॉसिबल नहीं है। इसको देखें रूट 3 एंड रूट 5, तो इसमें हमारा रूट 15 मिल सकता है, ये पॉसिबल है, और रूट 5 रूट 3 इसमें भी मिल सकता है। नो ये नंबर 23 कैसे बन रहा, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर, अगर इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 5 और इसका स्क्वायर करेंगे 4 4 16, सो ओके 4 4 16, 16 3 जा 48, 48 प्लस 5, ये नंबर बड़ा हो गया। ओके इस ऑप्शन में देखें 3 3 3 प्लस 2 2 जा 4 4 5 जा 20। ओके सो वी आर गेटिंग 23 फ्रॉम हियर, सो डायरेक्टली आंसर विल बी सी। Okay, next question. Question is 37 power 100. We are dividing by 9. We have to calculate the remainder. Now, for the remainder here, what we will do? We will use the remainder theorem. Remainder theorem क्या बोलती? Remainder theorem tells we will do same with the remainder whatever we are doing with the numbers. Means जो भी हम number के साथ करेंगे, वही हम remainder के साथ करेंगे. Okay. Now, what I can check? I can check the remainder for the 37. If I will try to check the remainder for 37, 9 4 ja 36, remainder will be 1. What remainder theorem says? We will do same with the number whatever we are doing. We will do the same with the remainder whatever we are doing with number. Here what we are doing? We are doing the 37 power 1000. We are powering the 1000. So what I will do with this remainder? I will do the remainder also will be this. So remainder for this number will be this, 1 power 1000 means 1. So what will be the remainder for this? The remainder for this will be A. Okay. Next question is 20 men are supposed to complete the work in 10 days. Means they have given us the time limit for this question. Okay. After working for 5 days, they realize that only 1/4 of the work is done. How much work? 1/4. If I will say one man is making one chair in 1 day, so 20 men in 5 days will make 100 chairs. Means 100 chairs is what? 1/4. Means total chairs will be what? 400 out of 400, because they have done only 1/4. So this is the 1/4 work. So total work will be 400. Okay. Now out of 400, 100 chairs are made. So how much chairs are remaining? 300 chairs are remaining. 400 minus 100 means 300 chairs are remaining. These chairs will be made by the person whoever will be employed here. So now if they are P person are working and they will make one chair in 1 day, and the 5 days they already work, but the work should be finished in 10 days. Work should be finished in 10 days. So how many days are remaining? 5 days. Means they will work for 5 days. So we will calculate. So we will get the 60%. Okay. So we need the 60 manpower. Initially there are 20 manpower. So how many more we will need to employ? We will need to employ 40 more person for finishing that work. Okay. So answer will be A. Next question. Question is asking what is not having the real roots? Roots are not real. So what is the rule for the real roots? Okay, so if we are having any equation, so for that if we will calculate the roots alpha comma beta, if we are having any equation ax square plus bx ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. If it is having two roots alpha plus beta, so alpha comma beta, these roots will be minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. These are the roots of alpha and beta of this equation. Now question is asking roots are not real. When roots will not be real? If these numbers are in negative. Have you ever seen any negative number inside the root? No, because it is not possible in real life. So if these numbers are negative, then only roots will be, there will not be real roots. Means what we want? We want b square minus 4ac. This is less than 0, then roots are not real. Okay, so means what we want? B square is less than 4ac. So just we need to check in these 4 options. अगर यहाँ पे we will check, so this will be 40 16 16 256 minus 3 2 6 2 4 27. ये बड़ा है. ओके, सो ये पॉसिबल नहीं है, इसमें रियल रूट्स हैं. इसका चेक करें 10 10 100 100, ये भी नहीं. अगर इसका चेक करें 8 8 64. ओके, ये भी नहीं. इसमें चेक करें 9 9 81, और यहाँ पे आएगा 6 जगह 24 24 दुनिया 96. ओके, सो इन डी ऑप्शन वी विल गेट दिस थिंग. ओके, सो आंसर फॉर दिस विल बी डी. क्या करना है इसमें? रूट्स रियल नहीं है. रूट्स रियल नहीं है वो कब पॉसिबल है? ये नंबर नेगेटिव है. सो ये नंबर नेगेटिव किस में आ रहा है? जस्ट वैल्यूज पुट करके देख लो, बी ए सी तीनों का. ओके, ये क्या क्वेश्चन है? ओके, क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है log x बेस 10 प्लस log x स्क्वायर बेस 10 इज इक्वल टू 2 log x बेस 10 प्लस 1. ओके, यहाँ पे सिंपली हम कोई भी चीज़ देख सकते हैं. या तो इस 2 को यहाँ पे सेंड कर सकते हैं, या इस 2 को यहाँ पे सेंड कर देंगे. Okay, we will send this 2 here. So this will be 2 log x base 10 and 2 log x base 10. So these 2 will be cancelled out. So remaining will be log x base 10 is equals to 1. Now we will take the anti-log. So what we will do when this log will be removed? So this g will kick this 10. So this 10 will push. So this x will be equals to 10 to power 1. This will push this number because this log is going. So this g will push this. This will push this. Okay, so what we got? X is equals to 10. So what is the x value? D. Okay, next question is 3 runners are running in a circular track 20 30 and 35. These 3 times they are taking. When will they meet next time? At the starting point. They want to meet this at a starting point. Okay, same point. Now what, say if you will relate this question with another questions that we are having the minimum numbers, we want a common multiple. We want a number which is minimum and that is multiple of everyone, means everyone will reach here in that time. Okay, so actually just we have to take the LCM here. So if we will take the LCM of 20 30 35, so 20 30 10 10 common, so this will give us 60 LCM. In this 60, this 5 is already included, so just we need to multiply by 7. So LCM is 420 minutes. Now this is minutes, so if we will convert this in hours, 420 divided by 60, 420 divided by 60, so we will get 7 hours. So answer will be D. Okay, next question, question number 33. Now क्या बोल रहा question? This okay. Here we are having 2 options. First, if you are not knowing anything, just cross multiply these and you will get the something, then you can cancel out. Or I can see one thing, a cube plus b cube. Here is a cube minus b cube. I will open these things. So what is a cube plus b cube? That is a plus b sin theta plus cos theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta minus sin cos theta upon sin plus cos. Okay, plus this thing will be sin minus cos into sin square plus cos square plus sin cos. Okay, in minus it is plus, in plus it is minus. Okay, upon sin minus cos. So this cancelled out, this cancelled out. So क्या बचा? Sin square plus cos square minus sin cos plus sin square plus cos square plus sin cos. So this cancel out. Sin square cos square theta is 1. Sin square plus cos square is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we got the answer C. Okay. In trigonometry, if you know the 3 basic rules, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, 1 plus tan square theta sec square theta, 1 plus cot square theta cosec square theta, then you can easily solve these questions of trigonometry. Okay, next question क्या बोल रहा है? 10 meter लंबी. Okay, we are having reaches a point 10 meter below the top of a vertical flag post. Okay, so question is just simple like this. They are telling this is 10 centimeter and this is 10 meter and that is 10 meter. Now they are asking, they are telling that elevation from here, this is 60 degree. Okay, this is 60 degree top of the flag post. So क्या कर सकते हैं हम यहाँ पे, अगर ये x है, this is will be y, this is 90 degree, can we say x square plus y square is equals to 100? Yes. Okay. Now I will see this thing. Tan 60 is equals to 10 plus y upon x. Tan 60 is root 3 by 2, root 3. So what we got? Root 3 x is equals to 10 plus y. हमें क्या निकालना है? Height of the flag post. I am interested in y. So what can I do? I can remove this x. Okay, अगर इसको स्क्वायर कर देंगे तो हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? 3x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 10 प्लस वाई का स्क्वायर. ओके, यहाँ इस x स्क्वायर को यहाँ पुट कर देते हैं. सो क्या मिल गया? 10 प्लस वाई का होल स्क्वायर अपॉन 3 प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 100. ओके, इसको खोल देते. सो क्या मिल जाएगा हमें? So we will get 10 plus 10 100 plus y square okay plus y square plus 20y plus y 3y square, this will be equals to 300. so यहाँ से इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे. 4y square plus 20y minus 200 is equals to 0. So y square plus 5y minus 50 is equals to 0. Okay. So इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? 10 50. Okay, so इसको लिख सकते हैं y square plus 10y minus 5y minus 50. So if we will calculate, so we will get y is equals to minus 10 and y is equals to 5. So minus 10 is not possible. So height will be, this y will be 5 centimeter. So this thing we will get 5 centimeter. Question is asking total height. So total height 10 plus 5 means 15 meter will be height of that thing. Okay, so answer will be B. Next question 35. What 35 is telling? What is the maximum value? इसका maximum value पूछ रहा. Okay. ये इतना बड़ा टर्म लिखा है. टर्म क्या है? 1 प्लस 2 साइन स्क्वायर कॉस स्क्वायर माइनस साइन पावर 4 माइनस कॉस पावर 4. ओके, सो what I can see this is sin square whole square cos square whole square. If I will take common minus common, so I will get 1 minus sin square plus cos square का होल स्क्वायर प्लस इसको स्क्वायर माइनस 2 साइन स्क्वायर कॉस स्क्वायर. सो आई गॉट 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर अगेन का होल स्क्वायर. दिस नंबर इज हियर होल स्क्वायर. सो दिस नंबर मिनिमम. नाउ वी वांट दिस थिंग मैक्सिमम. अगर इसको मैक्सिमम करना, सो दिस थिंग शुड बी मिनिमम. व्हाट इज द मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ a square? That minimum value of this number is possible 0. So maximum value of this, because question is interested in maximum value, so maximum value will be 1 minus 0. If you want a number that should be maximum, so negative part should be minimum, negative part minimum, minimum value of this is 0. So this maximum value will be 1. So answer will be A. Okay. Next question, question number 36. A aeroplane flying above a river, altitude 1200 meter. Observe that angle of depression and opposite side of the point 30 degree theta degree 3000 meter. Okay, means question ये है, this is our river, this is our aeroplane, this is flying here. Okay, this angle is 30 degree, this is theta. means actually they have given us this 30 and this theta. If this is theta, so this will be theta, this 30, so this will be 30. Okay, now height is 1200 meters, this thing. Now if we see here 1200, if I will use this as x, so I can calculate tan 30 is equals to 1200 upon x. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, so x I got 1200 root 3. So this thing is 1200 root 3, and the total length of the width of the river is 3000. 1200 root 3, 1200 root 3, this will be 2015. Total length is 3000, so this length will be 950. Okay, अगर ये length 950 है, now just we have to calculate this theta. So tan theta is equals to 1200 upon 950. So if I will see this thing is greater than 1, this value is greater than 1, okay, greater than 1 and less than 1, okay, less than 1.71. okay, because it is just less than, it is greater than half. Okay, so less than 1.71 means root 3, so value will be 45 to 60. Value will be between 45 to 60, so answer will be C. Okay, next question, same question. Okay, next question is, ये दिया है, okay, we have to calculate the sin square theta plus cos theta. Cos square theta plus 3 cos theta plus 2 is equals to sin square theta. Okay, sin square theta, what I am trying to do here, we have to calculate sin square theta cos theta, means actually we have to calculate the cos theta. अगर हमें cos theta मिल जाएगा तो हम उससे 1 sin square theta निकाल सकते हैं, क्योंकि 1 माइनस cos square theta ही हमारा क्या होता है, sin square theta होता है. 1 माइनस cos square theta ही sin square theta होता है. सो एक्चुअली हमारा एम क्या है, cos थीटा निकालना. cos थीटा कैसे निकलेगा, जस्ट इस sin थीटा को cos में कन्वर्ट कर देते, 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर थीटा. अब एवरीथिंग हमारे पास क्या मिल गया, cos स्क्वायर प्लस 3 cos प्लस 2 माइनस 1 प्लस cos स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 0. सो हमारा मिल गया 3 cos स्क्वायर प्लस 3 cos माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. ओके, प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0, यही मिला. ओके, दिस इज 1 2 cos स्क्वायर. सो 3 cos व्हाट आर वी कैन राइट, 2 cos प्लस cos. सो यहाँ से क्या मिल जाएगा, 2 cos, ओके, प्लस 1 एंड दूसरा मिल जाएगा cos cos square 3 cos theta plus 2 is equals to sin square theta, sin square 1 minus cos square 2 cos square plus 3 cos, sorry this is in minus, sorry, okay, so this is in minus, this is in minus, so this will be minus 2 cos minus cos, so this will be 2 cos minus 1. Okay, so we will get cos is equals to 1 by 2 comma 1. So 1 cos 1 is not 90 degree, it is less than 90, so it is not possible. So cos theta is equals to, so क्या मिल गया हमें, cos theta is equals to 1 by 2. just if cos theta is 1 by 2, so sin square theta क्या हो गया, sin theta, sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means 1 by 4, 1 by 4 means 3 by 4, plus just now we will add cos theta, 1 by 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2, so 2 2 3 to 5 by 4. So answer we will get this A. Okay, so this question also done. क्या किया इस क्वेश्चन में, इस क्वेश्चन में हमने पहले cos थीटा कैलकुलेट कर लिया, cos थीटा की वैल्यू आने के बाद हमने sin थीटा में पुट कर दी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, यहाँ पे देखो, इफ आई इस क्वेश्चन को देखें, साइन 24 साइन 66 cos 24 cos 66, ओके, tan 24 tan 66, इस तरीके की वैल्यूज हैं. मीन्स एक्चुअली यहाँ पे 60 प्लस 24 साइन साइन, ओके, 66 प्लस 24 मीन्स 90 डिग्री कुछ कुछ है यहाँ पे. ओके, सो क्या करें, अगर यहाँ पे हम साइन 90 माइनस थीटा लगाएंगे तो ये क्या बन जाएगा, इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, 24 को 90 माइनस 66, सो ये क्या बन जाएगा, साइन 90 माइनस थीटा मीन्स कॉस थीटा, सो ये हो जाएगा कॉस 66, साइन 90 माइनस थीटा मीन्स कॉस 24 माइनस, देखो साइन कॉस ये कैंसिल हो गया। सेम थिंग अगर यहाँ पे देखें tan 24 मीन्स tan 90 minus 24. अच्छा, how I have learned this thing? 90 is changeable. Now we are in this quadrant. Everything will be positive. 10 change in cot. So this will be converted in cot 66 and this will be cot 24. So again these two will be cancelled out. So remaining thing is will be 0. So answer for this question will be 0. A. Okay. Next question. Again trigonometry. क्या बोल रहा? x is equals to p sine, okay, this thing we have to calculate x square y square plus z square. Okay, so just put the values. क्या मिला, p square sine square a into cos square b plus p square sine square a plus sine square b plus p स्क्वायर cos स्क्वायर a, जस्ट तीनों की वैल्यूज यहाँ पे पुट कर दी। ओके, सो अगर यहाँ पे देखें p स्क्वायर साइन स्क्वायर a कॉमन आ गया, बचा क्या, cos स्क्वायर b प्लस साइन स्क्वायर b प्लस p स्क्वायर cos स्क्वायर a, दिस थिंग बिकम 1, सो नाउ अगेन p स्क्वायर इज कॉमन, सो रिमेनिंग इज साइन स्क्वायर a plus cos square a, so this thing again 1, so we got p square, so answer will be C for this question. Okay, again we are having the question of trigonometry, m sec theta n tan a and y is equals to m tan a and sec a. What is x square minus y square? Means actually we have to calculate the values of x square minus y square. Okay, so just put the values. X square will be m sec plus n tan square minus m tan plus n, okay, or and we can do the n sec square. Now we can open after doing the squares of this, or we can do one more thing, x square minus y square, we can say x minus y and x plus y. So m sec a, so if we will do this thing then also we can do, so you can do this thing, after that you will get sec a common, so m plus n will be remaining in this, and in okay, if you will put the values here, so you will get in this m plus n and m minus n, actually what will be sec and tan will be getting, you will be getting the common in those, so after that finally you will get the answer m square plus minus n square, or if you will put the values here directly, so all in that also you will get the same answer, just you have to put the values and open them, after opening you will get the question, okay, answers. In that one theorem will be one identity will be used, that is 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Only after by using this you will get the answer in this question. Okay. Next question is 43. What ये किसके इक्वल है, 2 sin, okay, can I take sin theta common in this? Yes, if I will take, so remaining will be 2 sin square theta minus 1 upon cos theta, if I will take common, so here will be 1 minus 2 cos square theta. Okay, now can I write this one as sin square plus cos square, means, so what I will get, sin theta 2 sin square theta minus sin square minus cos square upon cos theta sin square plus cos square minus 2 cos square. Okay, So this sine square will cancel this 2, this cos square will cancel this 2, so remaining is sin theta upon cos theta means tan theta. These two things will be same, so these will be cancelled out, so tan theta will be our answer, C. Okay, next question is 2.1 सेंटीमीटर के एक वृत्त की जीवा, एक वृत्त है, वी आर हैविंग अ, ओके, 2.1 सेंटीमीटर की त्रिज्या है, रेडियस दे हैव गिवन अस 2.1 सेंटीमीटर, okay, and angle is 120 degree. This angle between this and this is 120 degree. The at the center means actually we are having a chord. यहाँ पे एक chord है, okay, ये हमारा chord है, chord से हमारा ये angle 120 डिग्री बन रहा है. तो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है what is the approximate area of minor segment, means हमें इसका एरिया निकालना, we have to calculate area of this, and second what is the approximate area of major segment, we have to calculate the area of this thing. First thing in this, what we can calculate here, if we will see whatever area of this will be full circle, that will be pi r square. Now this is 120 degree, total angle is 360 degree, so this will be 1/3. So if I will see here, this thing is like this, so the surface area, the area of this thing will be 1/3 of pi r square. Okay, now अगर इस ट्रायंगल को केवल देखें तो ये हमारी पिक्चर बन गई, ये ट्रायंगल है, ये 2.1, ये 2.1, ये एंगल 60 डिग्री, टोटल 120, सो ये 60 डिग्री, ये 90 डिग्री, सो ये 30 डिग्री. ओके, ये 30 डिग्री, कैन बी कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ दिस, यस वी कैन कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ दिस सिंपली. ओके, इसका नाउ दिस इज आवर, इसका एरिया जस्ट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट. ओके, व्हाट विल बी द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल, this triangle area will be half base into height. Okay, so half, we have to calculate this base, this is 2.1, so this will be half, base will be 2.1 cos 30, and this will be twice into height, height will be 2.1 cos 60. Okay, so like this we can calculate the area of this triangle. After calculating the area of this triangle, now we know the total area of this segment. So if we will remove the triangle areas, we will get this minor segment. So after calculating the minor segment area, we will get 2.73, 2.71, we will get the minor segment area. क्या करेंगे, 1/3 of the circle will be the our this segment area, this area, ये एरिया टोटल एरिया की 1/3 हो गया, फिर इसमें से हमने ट्रायंगल का एरिया घटा दिया, तो हमारा ये वाला एरिया बचेगा 2.1 2.71. नाउ जो टोटल हमारा इसका एरिया आएगा, उसमें से अगर हम 2.71 को हटा देंगे तो हमारा 11.13 और 15, दिस विल बी अवर एरिया ऑफ लार्जर सेक्शन. ओके, like this we have to just calculate that part. Next question is, AB is a diameter, just let me change the color. Okay, AB diameter circle with the center O, OP perpendicular AB, Q is the any point. Okay, means हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या है, okay, हमारा क्वेश्चन है, ये हमारा सर्कल है, इस सर्कल पर पॉइंट्स हैं हमारे पास, ये है ए, ओ, बी, ए बी और ओ पी परपेंडिकुलर इस पर. ओके, पी इज परपेंडिकुलर ऑन दिस, दिस इज पी, and Q is any point on the arc PB. PB पर कोई पॉइंट है Q. Okay, now see, this is radius r, this is radius r. So these are the which कौन सा triangle है, समद्विबाहु. Okay, now two sides are equal, so these this and this angle will be same. Okay, this angle is 90 degree, total angle is 180 degree. So what will be this angle? This angle will be 45 degree, क्योंकि ये 90 टोटल सम 180, ये और ये इक्वल, तो ये 45 डिग्री. Okay, अगर ये 45 डिग्री, now question, so okay, so what we got, BAP is equals to 45 degree. We got this answer C. BAP we got C. Now second part is AQP. We have to calculate this area. In circle we know one thing, if we are having a cyclic quadrilateral, means the quadrilateral whose four sides are on a circle. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral. In cyclic quadrilateral, sum of two opposite angles is 180 degree. So angle this plus angle this will be 180 degree. Okay. Now we have to calculate this angle. After that only we can calculate this. Okay. Now this is what? Diameter, means this angle is 180 degree. If this angle is 180 degree, so this will be 90 degree. If this is 90 degree, total sum is 180 degree. 45 plus 90 plus 45 plus theta is equals to 180 degree. So what we got? Theta is equals to 45 degree. In this angle will be 45 degrees. So answer will be C. Means actually what is rule? The opposite angle of any arc or any arc will be the half of that. So this angle is 180 degree, this is 180 degree, so this will be 90 degree, because this is the same point AB are making the angle on the center O. This is 180, so this will be 90 degree. Okay. Now ये question ठीक है. Okay, how many zeros? Okay, how many zeros are there in this thing? This is our number. 1 power 50, 2 power 49, 3 power. Okay, so means 0. How 0 is made? If you are multiplying any number, how 0 will be made? 0 is made only by multiplying 2 by 5. If we are multiplying 2 with 5, so we will get 1 0. Okay, means we will get 10. 10 means 0 will be gone in the last. Okay, so means what is just we have to do? We have to check 0, 5 and 2. If we will see here 2 power 49, and means there will be 2 in every even number. So 2 will be there, 2 will be many. What is limited numbers? Limited will be there 5. So just if we will calculate the 5, then our question will be solved. Okay, means what we are getting? 3 power 48, 4 power 47, 5 power 46. Means first time we will get 5 power 46. Here what? How many 5 we will get? 46. Then next we will get 10 power 41. Means here 41 times 5 we will get. Okay, so plus 41. Then we will get 36. Then we will get 31 plus we will get 26. Now 25 power 26. Here 25 means 5 power 5 into 5. We will get 2 times 26. Here will be 2 5. So we will get 26 plus 26. Then number will be 21 plus 16 plus 11 plus 5. Then in last we will get 50 power 1. 50 means it is 25 into 2, means again we will have 2 times 5. So here 1 plus 1. If we will add all these numbers, we will get 261, and that will be our answer. So whenever we have to calculate the zeros on the last, so what we will do? Just calculate the limited numbers whatever is there, and that 0 is made by 2 by multiplying 2 and 5. Okay, next question. Okay, this is our equation. And then what is the minimum value of n? If it is having the real roots, means b square should be greater than 4ac. Means b square minus 4ac, it should be greater than 0. Actually this is our question. So b square means minus 4 means 16, minus 4, a is 1, c is log n base 10. It should be greater than 0. Okay, so this is 4 for 16. So what we get? We got 4 should be greater than log n base 10. Means 10 to power 4, so is greater than n. B square 16 4. Okay, so okay, so we are having 4 minus log n base 10. So this number should be it is having real root. So okay, just 1 minute. P square minus 4ac, so this is in minus, so this is minus, so this will be plus, so this will be plus. So if we will send this that side, so this will be minus log n base 10. Okay, so now if we will send this here, so this will be n should be this. 1 minute. Okay, just let me clean this. Okay, so x square b square minus 4ac, b square is 4 is 16, minus minus will be plus, 4a is 1, c is log n base 10. This should be greater than 0. So we got 4 should be greater than 4 plus log n base 10. This number should be greater than 0. Okay, so here we will get 4 log n base 10 is greater than minus 4. So if this 10 will go here, so we got n is greater than 10 to the power minus 4. Means actually what we get, n greater than or equal to, so we will get n 10 to the power minus 4 means 0.001. This will be our answer. Okay, so actually while calculating in the previous time, we just missed this minus. That's why we were not getting the answer. Okay, next question. Now again they have given us the inequalities. Now they are asking where these are the correct. Okay, so now whenever you will get like this large number, so just put any value. So if I will put a is equals to 2, b is equals to 1, then it should be satisfying. Okay, just put this. So a is equals to 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 3, 3 upon 5 is greater than 2 minus 1 1 upon 3. Okay, so if I will send this, 3 3 is 9 and 5 will go here. 9 is greater than 5. Yes, option 1 is correct. Now again I will put the values to 1 0. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 4 8, 8 plus 9, 9 upon 2 2s are 4 1 5 is greater than 2 2s are 4 5 upon 2 plus 1 3. So 9 3s are 27 is greater than 25. Yes, it is also correct. So both options are correct. So answer will be C for this question. Next question is what they are telling. 3n minus 1 person men in 2n plus 1 days x. Let work done by the 3n minus 1 men in this much day. Okay, if 3n minus 1 men are working and they are taking 2n plus 1 days, this much time they are taking. Okay, this is days will be x, this is equals to x here they are making. Now question is asking what is the work done by. If work is done by 3n plus 1 men in 4n minus 3 days, and it is equals to y, and it is, they are telling x upon y is equals to 6 upon 11. So just we have to they have given this, so just cross multiply them and calculate it. Okay, so if cross multiply them and calculate it, so this will, we will get 3 to the 6 n square plus n minus 1 upon 12 n square minus 5n 4n, okay, minus 5n minus 3 is equals to 6 by 11 10, cross multiply. After that we will get n is equals to 7 minus 1 by 6. So this is not possible, so n is equals to will be 7. So answer will be B. Now whenever you will see the question on this type, so what to do, these questions are easiest question in that. Okay, देखो question क्या पूछ रहा, the pie chart they have given, ABCD, okay, everything they have given. 2019 का डेटा ये है, 2020 का डेटा ये है. 2019 में 4000 एम्प्लॉय थे, यहाँ पे एम्प्लॉय 5000 है. Okay, now if they have given this 5000 means can we calculate the every actual data? Yes, 5 to the 10,000, this हो गया 1100, ये हो गया 500, ये हो गया 450, 11 पन्ना 55, 550, ये हो गया 450 और ये हो गया 1350. Like this we can calculate the every data. After calculating the every data, you can answer all questions easily, directly. So these 4 questions are bonus. Here 4 questions they have given the chart. By that chart you have to just calculate the actual numbers, then you can compare all the points and you can calculate. Okay, so if you have just given here 20 seconds to 30 seconds, you can calculate all other parts. These questions you can solve easily. 4 questions means it will take maximum 3 minutes. Okay, next, same 79 is from that category, and this type of question is also done by that pie chart. Okay, if we will see, let's see the one question. 2014 से 2018 तक कारों के उत्पादन में कितनी वृद्धि हुई. Okay, 2014 how much cars were there? 300, 200, 500, 510, 1000 cars were here. In 2018 how many cars are here? 500, 700, 7 5 12, okay, 12 8 20, 2000. From 1000 they increased to 2000. How much increment? 100%. Okay, so like this type of questions are there. Okay, next question is a number, and in this question there were 2-3 more parts. If you will solve them, those are also like this easy question. Okay, if 2 digits are in such that their product is 8, we are having a number whose product is 8, a into b means, so what are the possible values of a? 8 into 1, ये possible है, 4 into 2, this will possible. Okay, now if 63 is added, the number digits are interchanged, means if we will interchange the digits 8 and 1, so here number digits will be 18 and 81, in this 42 and 24. So what is difference? In this difference is 63, and they are asking the difference is 63. They are telling we are adding 63, means number was 1 and 8. 1, 8, this was the number. So what is the sum of 1 plus 8 means 9. So answer will be D. Next question, 88. What it is asking? They have given us 30 km per hour is the boat speed, and 60 km it is going in the direction of stream, and 9 by 2 hours it comes back. Okay, means here they are having, can we calculate the average speed? What is average speed? Average speed is 2 times of S1 into S2 upon S1 plus S2. Okay, so if we will calculate this, so what we are getting, 230 plus x, if x is the speed of stream, 30 minus x. This will be returning speed upon s1 plus s2, 30 plus x, 30 minus x, x will cancel out, divided by 60. This is equals to speed into time. This is our average speed into time is 9/2. Speed into time is equals to distance 120. Okay, so what we got? 2, this is 60. Okay, 3 times, this is 20, this 3, 20. So what we got? 20 into 40 means 20 into 40, 30 plus 10, 30 minus 10 means what we got? X is equals to 10 kilometer per hour. Never try to solve these questions by equation, just see the data. If you can relate them and you can get the values here, 30 plus x is here, 30 minus x is here, means 20, and 40 means 30 plus 10, 30 plus 10, 30 minus 10, like this. Okay, this done. Okay, next question is, what's the sum of money compounded annually doubled itself in 5 years? Some money we are having, it is doubling itself. A become 2a in 5 years, means how much interest is added? A. Now we want this number 4 times 4a, means how much money will be added? 3a will be interest. Now 3a, if we are having the interest a in 5 years, so how much time it will take for 3a? It will take 3 times. Okay, sorry. Okay, so our question is, in 5 years it will be doubled. It is compound interest. Okay, so in 5 years it become double a, 2a. Now in the next 5 years again it will give the same interest as whatever it is having. So 2a interest again it will give. So 2a plus 2a it will be 4a, means total time it will take 5 plus 5 means 10 years it will take for becoming the 4 times. Okay, are you getting the point? Just what? Some money a you are having, in 5 years it become 2a, means whatever money it was having, same interest is added. In next 5 years again it will give the same interest 2a plus 2a, the final money will be 4a in 5 years. So total time 5 year here, 5 year here, so total time is 10 years. Okay, next thing in this question, something is not correct, so leave this question. Okay, next question is, P Q के proportional है, P is proportional to Q and P is inversely proportional to 1 upon R square, means directly question is telling P is equals to K Q upon R square. Now we are increase in the Q by 20%, Q we are increasing by 20% and R by decreasing by 20%, means if our Q was initially 10, so this will be 10 upon 10 into 10, this will be our number. Okay, now what we did, we increase this number become 120 means 12, this become 8 into 8. Okay, this is the change. So if I will, this 0 will cancel out. So next thing what we are getting actually, okay, so our numbers are here 10 upon 10 100, 1 upon 100 we are having, so 4 3 are 12, 4 2 is 8. So our initially 1 upon 100 become 3 upon 8 to the 16. Okay, so if I will multiply here by 100 into 100, so that it will be initially our number will be 100, so that we can calculate the change from 100. So 100 into 100, so this the 0 got cancelled out. If we will calculate this, so this was 100, from 100 the change is 187.5. so how much increment is here? 87.5 is the increment, so our answer for this will be A. Okay, next question is 97, and 97 is asking us अ पर्सन कैन, इस शर्त पर 30 दिन काम करने के लिए सहमत होता है कि प्रतिदिन उसको 500 रुपये मिलेंगे। ओके, अगर उसको 500 रुपये मिलेंगे तो 30 दिन का उसको कितना मिलता है? 15,000 रुपये। वट 100 रुपये की कटौती की जाएगी इफ यू आर एबसेंट। मीन्स हमने क्या किया, इसमें सारे पैसे जोड़ दिए। तो नहीं आओगे तो 500 रुपये तो तुम्हारी सैलरी में से कटेंगे और 100 रुपये तुम्हें पे पेनल्टी, मतलब मीन्स 600 रुपीज विल बी डिडक्टेड पर डे। So you are actually getting 11,400, means how much money is deducted? 3,600, and you 600 is per day, means how much days? 6 days you were absent, means how many days you have worked? Only 24 days you have worked. Okay, next and last question for this set is a person earned 1,000 rupees more in compared to previous year. If he saves 2,000 in first year, how many rupees he will save in okay, how many years he will earn this much rupees? First year 2,000 rupees, next year he will earn 3,000 rupees, like this he will earn. Means on the first year he is earning 2,000, means every year if whatever the number of year is, he is earning 1,000 more. Means if it is by year, so he will earn on the yth year by plus 1,000. This much money he will earn. Okay, now we have to calculate the total money, and total money is 17, this much. Okay, so what is the sum of money? A plus L 2,000 plus by plus 1 into 1,000, A plus L into number of terms. Number of terms is by divided by 2. This will be equals to 17. Okay, so 3 zeros will cancel out, 3 0 3 0. So what is remaining? Remaining thing is here. A plus L. Okay, one more thing, it is yth year, so the by here, so the number will be, the total terms will be by minus 1, because it is starting from by plus 1, means from the here it was first year, so 2, so by here it will be by plus 1 by minus 1. Okay, so the number what we will get finally, by plus 1 plus 2 means total y plus 3 and y minus 1, this 2 will go there, y plus 3 and y minus 1 is equals to 17 34. Okay, 340. Now we have to find the options what are the near closer to these. So if we will see 19 minus 1 means it will be 22 into 18, 8 to the 6, we will not get 0. If it is 18, so it will be 21 into 17, again we will not get 0. 17 means it will be 20 into 16, yes, okay, 16, so we will get the 0 in this option. 16 means 19 into 15, again we will not get 0, so option best possible will be in this B, 17 years. Something by plus 1. Okay, just let's see this question once again. What पिछले साल की तुलना में 1000 की अधिक बचाता है. Okay, फर्स्ट ईयर में उसने 2000 बचाया. Second year he will earn 3000. Next year he will earn 4000. This is third year. Okay, so on the byth year he will earn y minus 1. Sorry, y plus 1 into 1000 rupees. Okay, now total sum will be 2000 plus y plus 1 into 1000, a plus l by 2 into byth. First, second, third, fourth. Okay, so y will be y. This is equals to 17. Okay, so 30 will cancel out these 3 zeros. So remaining will be 2 plus y plus 1 into y is equals to 340. So we will get y plus 3 into y is equals to 340. So best option for this will be y will be 17. So this become 20 and this will be 17. Okay. So here number will be y only. So answer will be B. Okay. So what we have did here till now, we have just seen the previous some questions. By how we can solve these questions, these are easy, just we have discussed those questions. Now if you want to learn all these concepts from the basic, that's how to approach this type of questions, so you can contact us on the SSB SureShot contact number, and there you can get you can join our offline and online courses. There we will teach you from the basics, from the every concept. We will move from zero to higher level. Means we will learn a small concept, then we will move to the higher level. By doing the practice, by attending those classes, by learning those concepts, you can easily solve the 70 to 80 questions in CDS maths exam, and FCAT out of 18 you can solve 18 questions. I also have cleared CDS, INET, FCAT multiple times. Last time my FCAT score was 208. Means we will learn all concept, then we will solve the questions. We will learn all everything. Okay. So for any query, just contact us on the SSB SureShot number. Okay. Thank you everyone.
Don't forget to subscribe to our new channel SSB SureShot Plus for exclusive new videos. Also follow us on Instagram for all the latest updates. Check out a SureShot guide to crack SSB on Amazon. The link is in the description below.